When The Walking Dead debuted on AMC, it met with some of the highest ratings the network had ever seen. Based on the acclaimed comic, millions tuned in to witness Officer Rick Grimes struggle through the zombie apocalypse. Now that Season 1 is coming to Blu-ray, let's see if the set lives up to expectations. The Walking Dead TV show isn't just great horror storytelling, it's great drama. Characters have to learn to live again in this new post-apocalyptic world. It turns out avoiding becoming zombie food is the easy part. Staying human while doing it, that's where it gets tough. The Shawshank Redemption director Frank Darabont brings his big screen style to the zombie apocalypse as showrunner and chief creative force. He's given the production a feature film sheen that's as good as TV gets on Blu-ray. If you don't get AMC HD, you'll finally be able to see what you've been missing out on. Shot on 16mm film, the show has a cinematic feel, and the transfer on this disc looks great on any size screen. While the detailed 1080p image lets you get up close and personal with the characters and their environments, the lossless Dolby True HD 5.1 soundtrack puts you right in the middle of the action. You'll hear those shuffles and moans from every direction, accompanied by Bear McCreary's eerie soundtrack. It's like zombies have invaded your living room, only with less brain eating. Even with just 6 episodes worth of material to cover, the extras on this set are substantial. Executive producer Robert Kirkman, who just happens to be the creator of the comic, is present in many of the behind-the-scenes features. These include a making-of documentary, a series of Inside the Walking Dead segments devoted to each episode, a look at the makeup design by Ghoul Master Greg Nicotero, tours of the set with the cast, and footage from last year's Comic-Con panel. From the extensive extras to the sharpest, clearest image of blood and guts found on TV, this Blu-ray is required viewing for zombie fans. Pay attention. It just may help you survive a future zombie outbreak. IGN gives The Walking Dead Season 1 on Blu-ray an overall score of 8 out of 10.